Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is full of Halloween decorating. I ran to Joann's and Michael's, the Dollar General, Dollar Tree. We've got lots and lots of Halloween decorating going on in today's video. I've got a haul, but it's not going to be necessarily like a traditional haul. I'm going to be showing you what I got throughout the video, and I'm going to tell you where I got the stuff, and if I can link it, I will link it for y'all. But lots and lots of really cool and family-friendly Halloween decor. If you've been around for a while, you know we don't do the super spooky stuff that's going to like scare my toddler, but we are going to just kind of give the vibes of Halloween. We love bats and the black birds and spiders, things like that that are like, you know, they're obviously just like part of nature, but they kind of give the vibes of Halloween and just make everything feel really fun for the season. So we're going to be decorating in the kitchen first. I went ahead and switched out our little corner sign. I love decorating this corner every season, so we just swapped out the fall for the Halloween, and I put a little tree here. I got this tree several years back, and I think I got it from TJ Maxx, and then this pumpkin I picked up from Joann this year, Joann's Fabrics, and it is beautiful. I absolutely love the white and black stripes, and then this spider dish came from Target last year, and I'm just going to fill that with some pumpkin candy. Okay, another really fun Joann's find was this little pumpkin that lights up. I love it. It's really sleek. It's kind of like one of those pumpkins that you might be able to paint. I don't know. It looks like it needs to be painted, but I love it white. So we're just going to keep it white. And I also found this, no, this candle actually came from TJ Maxx. And it is the, I believe it's called Red Leaf Home, and it smells so good. I've been telling Will all week long, I love this candle. It smells so yummy for fall. And so if you can get your hands on a Red Leaf Home candle, they are high quality. This one smells so good. It's the 31 for Halloween. So I love that. And then over here in the coffee station, we're just going to put a little black polka dotted pumpkin. And I actually picked this pumpkin up from Dollar General along with that little coffee cup. Over here on this side of the stove, I'm just going to fill up my flour and sugar and add some little sticky bats from Dollar General. I go to Dollar General a lot because we live way out in the country. Well, I won't say way out. A lot of people live further out than we do. But we don't have a Walmart within like 20 miles of us. So I always go to Dollar General for our basic like everyday needs. And so I picked up these little cute spiders while I was there, and I didn't realize they had sticky backs on them, so I can stick them to the front of these jars. Last year I stuck them down in, but this is even more convenient because now I can lift the lid off and they are good to go. But one of them came without the sticker, so I just stuck him down into the sugar. And I think this is so fun, especially if you have kids. And also today's video is in collab with my friend Marie, so I'm going to let her introduce herself real quick.
Hey y'all, my name is Marie. I'm a stay-at-home mama from Georgia. I create content about homemaking and motherhood motivation. I love sharing cleaning motivation, decorating ideas, all sorts of recipes. I love to bake and inspire and motivate other mothers to get up and move our bodies, tackle daily chores, and conquer the day. My channel is positive and realistic and jam-packed full with fun, motivational, inspirational mom content. The main focus of my channel is get it all done style videos, cleaning motivation, decorating, weekly resets, grocery hauls, and so much more. After you finish this mama's video today, I would love it if you would come over and say hi. I would love to have you.
I love Marie, y'all already know that, so definitely go check out her channel. She's got tons and tons and tons of mom motivation videos. Very realistic, very relatable. I absolutely just love her channel. I watch every single one of her videos without fail, and she usually uploads on Mondays and Wednesdays, so definitely check her out. But now we are headed over to this side of the kitchen. I got those little towels from TJ Maxx. Thought those were so cute. It came with 4, and they were only like $8, maybe $10, I can't remember. They had like a little skeleton one, and the rest were just kind of black and white stripes. There was some that were checkered, and so when one gets dirty I can kind of swap them out. And then I found that little ghost soap dish at TJ Maxx. Love it. I usually don't add in ghosts because I try to keep things pretty like not spooky. I just wanted to be like really fun for the season but not super spooky, but that ghost was too cute to pass up, so we got him for the kitchen sink. And then now we're headed over to the kitchen nook. I found those two little picks at Joann Fabrics. I thought those were so cool, and I knew that I could just like incorporate them with my fall decor. That crow came from Target last year, and then y'all know this milk and sugar candle is my favorite. It is so good. It's in my Amazon storefront. I have that linked below. It's one of my favorite, it is my favorite candle ever. It smells so good. When you walk into our house, it smells like someone just baked some cookies, and we all know that's not true. So it smells so good. I cannot recommend it enough. But I love the way that our little centerpiece for our table turned out. Is kind of like spooky for the season, but it's not too scary. And I love incorporating lots of my fall decor into my Halloween decor. That way I don't have to like totally redecorate when I just decorated. So I love incorporating the orange pumpkins along with all of the black spiders and things like that. But now we're headed over to the hutch. I picked up these little black garlands from the Dollar General, and they're so cool. They're actually sparkly. I don't think you can tell from this video, but they're sparkly. They're really cool. I picked up two of those, and I'm going to be using them in different places. But I thought this one looked really fun on the little window above our hutch. And then this trick or treat sign came from TJ Maxx, and I've already had this lantern for years. I can't remember where I got it. And then that little orange metallic pumpkin came from At Home a couple years back. And now we are headed inside the hutch. This is so much fun to decorate for all of the seasons. Okay, so I'm going to be honest, I was a little uninspired with Halloween this year. I was feeling like I didn't want to decorate because I didn't really have anything new. And then Oliver and I went out on a Saturday just to kind of like shop around. We got him some new shoes. And Joann Fabrics happened to be next door to the shoe store we were at. So we stopped in there, and they had so many cute things for Halloween. So that's where I found the majority of the things that I'm showing you today that are new. And that little what was it? The little jack-o'-lantern that lights up. That was one of the things I found there. And so I grabbed two of those, one for the other side of our kitchen and one for under this cake plate. I love the way that that turned out. And then also, don't sleep on Dollar General because they have so many cute pieces of home decor. They have sales going on all the time too, but they have so many cute pieces, and I picked up several. That little mirror came from Dollar General, and those measuring cups came from Dollar General, and they are high quality. I actually went to check out, and the guy was checking me out, and he was like, this is like really good quality. And I was like, I know, I come in here all the time, but I'm always surprised with how well some of their home decor items are, like, or how well good of quality they are. They're so good. So I found lots of really fun Halloween decor at Dollar General and also at Joann Fabrics. I always add some of these bats to all of my Halloween spaces. They're just from Amazon. I'm going to add some in the main part of the kitchen here too. And I absolutely love the way that our kitchen turned out this year. And we all know I could not go without making Oliver a boo basket. I actually didn't even know these things existed until this year, and I've been on TikTok and Instagram, and I've seen nothing but boo baskets. I've seen lots of like husbands and wives shopping for boo baskets, but I was like, Oliver needs a boo basket. So I went to Dollar General and Dollar Tree because they're just right down the road, and I picked up all of this stuff from those two stores. I think this basket was probably total like less than $10. So fun. We picked up that little basket for, I believe, $1 at Dollar General. And then we packed it full of stuff. That light up monster cup was from Dollar General. We got him a Slinky, a little basketball, a big old spider, a lollipop, lots of fun stuff. And I cannot wait to give this to him. I also picked up a couple of those little lights and just stuck them in there and let them like glow. And I think I'm going to put it in the dark when I give it to him and just let him have fun with that because it's just kind of spooky and fun and perfect for this season. So I've been loving these little boo baskets. Let me know down below if you've received a boo basket or if you're doing this for your kids. Has your husband got you a boo basket? Did you get your husband a boo basket? I love the idea of this because Easter baskets are so fun, and this is kind of like carrying that into every season, which I know that can get expensive, but hey, go to Dollar General and Dollar Tree. They have such fun stuff, especially for kids. Another thing I saw on TikTok this year was those little bats in the lampshade. I think that's so fun. It's like a toned down version of just like putting bats on your wall. I love it. So I did that in the kitchen. I'm also going to do that in the living room. And this gorgeous wreath came from Joann's Fabric this year. I absolutely loved that. It's sparkly. It's got the little sparkly bats on it. And then over here right next to the front door, I'm just going to add some bats. I was actually running out of bats. I need to order some more. I've had these for several years now and I finally ran out. And I believe they were like $5 or $6. So these bats last for years. I'm going to have them linked down below if you don't already have some of these bats on hand. But I'm definitely going to have to order some more of those. This little checkered pillow is my favorite. I picked up 2 of those from HomeGoods this year. One is over on our front porch. And then I just put a simple little orange pumpkin there on the bench. Now I'm going to add some more bats to this lampshade over here. We got a cozy little ambiance on the TV. And I'm also going to add some cute little orange lights to our TV stand. And those are from Dollar General. If there's anything that makes me more excited to decorate, it's new pillows. We picked up these pillows actually last year, but I'm still excited to pull them out because they feel brand new. I absolutely fell in love with these last year, and I still am just as in love with them this year. The sparkly spiders are so cute, and then the other one says Home Sweet Spooky Home. All of those came from HomeGoods. I'm obsessed. I think they're so cute and glam for the Halloween season. Not super scary, but just so fun. And I'm really trying to get a new ottoman for our living room. I'm not sure what I need to get. I used to have a little tufted cream ottoman in here, and I loved it in this space. But we got rid of it because Oliver was climbing on it constantly, and it got a water bottle spilt on the bottom of it, and so it was like all stained up. So I got rid of that one, but I'm thinking about ordering the same one again because I really miss it. But then at the same time, I'm like, do I need to branch out? So let me know down below if you've been around for a while. Should I get that tufted ottoman again, or should I get something fresh and new? We're going to be making some changes to the living room pretty soon, so I'm just kind of like on the fence about it. But anyways, moving on to the piano over here, we're going to add some candlesticks. I also picked those up from Dollar General. Dollar General has some really good stuff, y'all. Okay, and this is my favorite thing of all. This is a candle that I found from Joann's, and I'm going to have it linked below, hopefully, if I can find the link. But it's a spiderweb candle, and when you light it, it's heat activated, so it changes colors, green, blue, pink, purple, and Oliver loves that. So I think that's so fun. If you have kids, just keep it out of reach, obviously, because it's fire. But I thought that was so cool for Halloween, and then over there on the end table, I just added a little pumpkin. I absolutely love how cozy and spooky and fun our house turned out for Halloween this year. If you enjoyed, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, I would love to have you, but I will see y'all next week. Bye!